So now I'm going to show you how to adjust the suspension setting on the 1250 GS. You switch on the motorcycle. To go into the suspension settings, you need to first look into what setting it is on. So go into road mode. I will show you other modes as well. So go into road mode, and in road mode, if you will see, and if you press the suspension button, it shows that the preload is minimum and the rebound is on off-road. You can change that by pressing it one single press. The rebound would now become dynamic, and if you hold it for longer, yes, you need engine on to adjust the load. Okay, so now let me start the motor.